Ooh, it's so good. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole and welcome to another smoothie bowl video. I just got a new blender. This is the brand new Ninja Foodi Nutri Duo. I think I said that right. It's so teeny tiny. It's got these little suction cups on the bottom because although this thing is small, it's so powerful. So it needs these little suction things on the bottom so that it stays on your countertop. But seriously, this is so compact and it's really great if you live in a college dorm or you're in a small apartment where you need to save space, because this blender can actually do a lot of stuff. And I'm so excited to show you how to use it today. So this is the 1200 peak watt motor that it comes with. It also comes with a personal cup that's perfect for making juices, smoothies, milkshakes, pretty much anything in this. And then this is what we're gonna do today. I'm really excited about this new product. This is the smoothie bowl maker. So it's a little bit smaller than the Power Nutri cup. It's called the Power Nutri Bowl. And what's really interesting is that when you flip it upside down and put it onto the base, this little top acts as a tamper, or the thing that you push down in your blender to get all the ingredients to go down towards the blades, and you twist it like this. And so it has these little, almost like little spatulas on the inside that when you twist, it moves everything down in the blender towards the blades and helps your smoothie get blended up so that there's no stalling, no stopping, and no pausing. It's amazing. I'm so excited. It even has little guidelines here that you can follow. There's a liquid fill line and there's a max fill line, so you know how to stack your blender. And then the last thing that it comes with are these hybrid edge stainless steel blades. You just screw this onto either the Power Nutri Bowl or the Power Nutri cup, and then you simply flip it upside down, put it onto the base, lock it into place, and hit go. So this blender comes with 4 Auto IQ programs, 2 for the Power Nutri cup and 2 for the Power Nutri Bowl. The ones for the Power Nutri Bowl are spread and bowl. Spread would be something you would use for something like nut butter or dips or spreads, obviously. And then bowl would be used for things like smoothie bowls, frozen yogurt, or anything really thick and creamy like frozen homemade ice cream. And then the Auto IQ programs for the Power Nutri cup are extract and smoothie. So extract would be something like a green smoothie or a juice. And then smoothie is pretty self-explanatory, something like a smoothie or milkshake. You also have the option of start and stop or pulse in case you want to have more control over what you're blending. So I've actually done a couple YouTube tutorials on how to use this Power Nutri cup because this piece has come with some of their other blenders. And actually my first early YouTube videos about smoothie bowls were made using this cup because it's what I had at the time. So today we're gonna focus on this Power Nutri bowl to make a smoothie bowl. Today I knew I wanted to make a mango smoothie bowl, but then I decided that I wanted to kind of spice it up and make it a little bit more fun. And so I'm gonna show you how you can use this to make a multicolored smoothie bowl. I'm really excited about it. It's gonna be yellow and like a red pink. All right, first things first, we're gonna start with our liquid. Remember, you can always add, but you can't take away. So just start with a little bit. We're just gonna do a splash. We're not even gonna fill it up all the way to the liquid fill line because we want our smoothie bowl to be nice and thick today. Then I'm gonna do half of a frozen banana. This is just gonna make it extra creamy, but I'm not gonna do the whole thing because our main flavor is gonna be our frozen mango. This is about a cup of frozen mango. We're just gonna fill it all the way up the rest of the way with our frozen mango. Now y'all know me, I can't make a smoothie bowl without doing a scoop of protein powder, but we're just gonna do half of a scoop today in this color because our other color is gonna have the other half of the scoop of protein powder. That way the flavors kind of match up. This is the vanilla flavor from 310 Nutrition. It's my favorite. I'll put a link in the description box below if you wanna get some, and you can use NT Nomad for a discount. All right, get half of our scoop in here. Then we're gonna do just a little bit of a honey drizzle. A little bit of honey. Now we're just going to screw on our blades. Perfect. All right, let's get this front and center so y'all can see the magic happen. We're just gonna place it onto the base, twist to lock it into place, and press bowl. Perfect. Let's see how it did. Oh my gosh, so amazing, so thick. I don't know if you can see that, but woo, she's looking good. Okay, now for the pink one. For this, we're just gonna do a little splash of almond milk, about 1 cup of frozen strawberries, and then the other half of our frozen banana. And then finally, the second half of our scoop of protein powder, right in there. Blades on, load it onto the base, lock it into place, and hit bowl. Woohoo! So easy. Let's check it out. Pink, so thick, Awesome. We love it. I love it. You should love it too. I think this is actually the most beautiful bowl I've ever made. I love, my favorite colors are yellow and orange. So like this combination of yellow, orange, and pink, it's like, it feels like a sunset in a bowl. But let's see how it tastes. Ooh. It's so good. The two flavors combined is so magical. Oh, you guys have to try this. And it's so perfect and easy to do with this blender because the smoothie bowl maker is pretty small, so you can do 2 colors to make a full bowl. I'm a big fan. Wow. Well, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. This Ninja Foodi Nutri Duo blender just came out. It's brand new. It's so tiny and cute and compact, and it's perfect if you're living in a small space or in a college dorm, or if you simply just want to save space in your kitchen. Again, I put the link down in the description box below if you want to check it out. But have a great rest of your week and keep tagging me and sending me your smoothie bowl pictures. It makes my day, and you guys are getting so good. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and if it helped you, please subscribe to my channel because I have so many more smoothie bowl tutorials and recipes coming your way. See you next time.